The first one you missed is number 10, and that was the formula. And when I look in J4, if G4 is greater than or equal to, it said in the instructions, 8. So you have to include the equal to so that it doesn't just count 1 to 7, but it also counts the number 8. And then yes, and you've got that right as well. So that part is right. It was just the equals to was missing and then fill down. And that gives you one more yes, because there was a number 8. One was ranked 8. Okay, the next one you missed is cell E4, the formula, and you just have it backwards because it said to subtract D4 from C20. So that means that C20 needs to be first. That's why you've got negative numbers. Minus D4. Everything else was correct. And then that will fix that problem. Oops, and you won't have the negative numbers. Okay, the next one that you missed, requires you to move to the projections tab, and it's number 22. Use the format painter to copy the format only. So B3 to F3, and click on format painter and go down to B11 and scroll over to F11. And that copies that format. Then use the format painter to copy format from range B9 to F9. So that's here, B9 to F9. And click on format painter to the range B15. This is the one you missed. B15 to F15. I could tell that readily because it needed to have green in it. And there you go. So that was it. The second one is what you missed. Okay, and lastly, you were supposed to put column sparklines in here, but not G15, only G12 to 14. Okay, and the last one was the sparklines. So first thing we need to do is move to projections, and then, of course, they didn't want them here. And so let's just clear them all. Go back through it again. Okay, and they're selected. So I'm going to go to Insert and Sparklines, and they wanted a column sparkline. The data range is C12, according to the book, all the way to F12 and then to 14. So all that data, and click OK, and it puts the sparklines in there. And then it gives you all sorts of design opportunities, and they want us to make it a different color, different color. So sparkline color is here, and they want the 10th column and 6th row, which is the last one. And so it's a dark green. Okay, and you should see that they just go down to 14. Be sure you don't go all the way down to 15 because I did that myself. And when you do that, is in here for your data range, only go to 14.